Greetings from the Yosemite Valley Lodge. It is December 2023, and we are staying in the Maple building of the lodge. And I am now standing at the end of the hallway, and I am hoping that you can see the Yosemite Valley Fall between those two trees. We have a view of the falls at the end of the hallway. On this side, I am hoping that you can see Half Dome just past those trees. The Maple building has 2 floors. We are on the 2nd floor, so we came up these stairs, turn right, go down the hallway, and we are in room 3531. This room has 2 queen beds. As you come into the room, to the left is the sink with a full-length mirror. There's also a mirror over the sink. And I do love how a lot of hotels are now switching to these kinds of soaps. It is much better for the environment. This room has a mini fridge, no microwave. There is a microwave in the front lobby and in the gift shop. This is the closet area. They provide a hair dryer, a fan, space heater. Over here we've got an extra pillow, extra blanket, some coffee stuff, safe, and here is the bathroom. This bathroom has a shower with a bathtub, and again it has these new types of soaps and shampoos. Coming out of the bathroom, turn left. We have this giant chair, which I have to admit we didn't really like because it is huge, it's heavy, and it was in the way. So we moved it to the corner during our stay. 2 beds. We have some nice pictures on the walls. There are USB chargers right here on this little clock thing. I did not see a whole lot of electrical outlets, so having those USB chargers on that clock were very handy. TV, nice dresser. We were not able to get the Wi-Fi signal in this room, and I heard from the front desk that they are working on the Wi-Fi for the lodge. Even the signal on this TV was pretty bad, so I'm hoping that management is gonna work on those problems. A dining table with 2 chairs. There's also a heater right back here, and the heater works really well. This room was very comfortable. Two large windows over here, and this door goes out to our private balcony. Let's go out and take a look at this great view that we have. We have 2 chairs and a table. There's a little divider right there. And check out this amazing view. And again, there is Yosemite Falls right there between those two trees. We can't see Half Dome from the balcony, but having a view of Yosemite Falls is pretty amazing. Directly across the parking lot is the front lobby and Base Camp Eatery, which is the casual dining restaurant. The other restaurants are also over there past the trees. So that is kind of like the village area for the Yosemite Valley Lodge area. That is the parking lot for this lodge, and this is the road to exit. And you could almost even see the bus stop just down the street. The free Yosemite Valley shuttle stops right there, past those trees. The bus stop is exactly 300 steps from the front door of this building. The Yards bus also stops at that bus stop down the street, so it is extremely convenient. So here's my takeaway of this location. And specifically, I am talking about the Maple building. The last time we stayed at the Aspen building, which is further down the road. The Aspen building is closer to the lower falls, but it was pretty far from the restaurant and the bus stop. So after a long day of hiking, it was pretty difficult having to walk all the way back to the Aspen building. This time around, we are in the Maple building, and it is a wonderful, wonderful location. I cannot emphasize that enough. We love this location. Great views, close to the restaurant, close to the bus stop. And here are a few minor complaints about the room. The walls are extremely thin. We could hear everything. And unfortunately, we did have some noisy neighbors who stayed up really late and got up really early. We were here for 6 nights, so there was quite a bit of turnover. We had all kinds of different neighbors, but we heard everything, and it was pretty unpleasant. I finally had to put on my earplugs, and that really helped. And my other complaint is that there's no Wi-Fi signal, and the TV signal also didn't work. But other than that, it was a great location, and we love it here. Thank you for watching.